It is finally here, the version we have been waiting for a very, very long time. This is 2020.12.5 and it brings Dashcam Viewer. Yes, so exciting. I have been wanting this for a very long time and I'm just so excited that it's finally here. So let's go ahead and check that out. As you can see, we have our icon right up here between home link and sentry mode. This is it. You tap on Dashcam and instead of automatically saving your clips, we now have options. You can only view the preview. You can only open the preview when in the cars in park. When you're in drive, tapping on this will actually save your clip, how it normally does. But when you're in park, you get options. You can save the footage if you want, or we can't open our viewer. We want to open our viewer, so let's see what we got here. So right here is the automatically plays the most recently saved clip, whether that is sentry mode or dash cam. It's all in one right here. If you have a version 3 car like I do, we have the ability to swap to the rear. If you don't have a version 3, you only have front, left, and right. But the cool thing is that if we're on our front and we scrub through here, it's playing all 4 of these in real time, which is pretty handy. You can also swap through them live as you're doing this with no really stuttering or anything. It plays continuously and it works really well. It's also kind of handy having the little previews available in all of them at once. You can see something coming on the right and then you can see it pop over on the front. I say this clip specifically because there's something really cool right about here. If we can take a look on our rear, we have a truck coming. That truck right there. And this is just demonstrating the cool features of swapping between the cameras. We have this truck coming right there. Let me swap to our right side. There's the truck. Swap to the front. This is very funny. There's actually somebody sitting in the back of the truck holding all the stuff as they drive their stuff home from Costco. That's very funny. I just had to say that. But yeah. So from this view, we can swap between our views. We can scrub through the timeline and we can pause and play. We can also delete the clip if we want to as well. On the top here, we have our X. We have our date and time and whether it's dash cam or sentry mode. We have these dots. These dots will take you to your viewer. We can choose all sentry or dash cam. This is a freshly formatted drive recently, so there's no sentry mode yet on here, but right now I'm under all, but you will be able to see them separated if you want to do that as well. And again, we can toggle through these here and it'll show you basically the same thing, leaving the garage and stuff. So you can see a quick thumbnail preview of where the clip started recording, and that's pretty much it, but it is super handy. I love the fact that we can finally see this. If I have a sentry mode event report that shows up, I don't have to wait till I get home. I can see it instantly and I can know what it is, which is very awesome. I really like that a lot. That feature is super nice. And it's also good to be able to delete it. You know, this clip, it's kind of boring. Not much to it. We can delete it. And it'll ask you if you want to permanently delete this clip. You can do that if you want. So you can free up space on your SSD if you want to. You never have to take it out of the car ever again. You can clear up space. And you can preview right inside the car, which is really handy. I like this a lot, and I'm so happy that we finally got it. I've been waiting forever, and it's finally here. So, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys like this. I just wanted to show you how dash cam and sentry mode player works. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark, and I'll see you in the next one.